Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to verify your MEXC account. To verify your MEXC account, first of all, you'll need to complete the KYC process. So, open up your MEXC application or your website and make sure that you're logged into your account either way. After you're inside the home page once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will see an unverified label at the top right corner right next to set nickname. Simply tap on the unverified label and then you will end up in the personal verification tab. Click on the verify button under advanced KYC or primary KYC according to your preference. You will then need to provide your proof of identity and facial verification. Tap on the start verification button and get ready to provide a photo of a valid identification document such as an ID card, passport, or driver's license. You must also ensure that the document is not expired or damaged. After tapping on Start Verification, you will then need to tap on the ID Issuing Country drop-down and choose your country. Now, enter the ID type you'd like to use from the options at the bottom and then click on Next. As shown on the instructions, provide a valid government-issued document, use JPG or JPEG and PNG image formats that will be supported for KYC. As shown on the picture on the screen, go ahead and upload the front of your ID, back of your ID, and then tap in the Proceed button at the bottom of the screen. You may also need to upload a selfie holding the ID and a piece of paper with today's date or a specific verification code provided by MEXC. Double-check all the details and submit your application, and once approved, MEXC will notify you via email or in-app notification. After you are done, you will then have higher withdrawal limits and access to more features. So that is how you will be able to verify your MEXC account. If your verification is rejected due to some issues, you will need to review the provided feedback from MEXC and resubmit with any necessary corrections. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.